I'm kind of freaking out right now.
Close your shirt. Your belly's hanging out.
I feel like a new Jacob. Actually, my new name is Kama Sutra. Wait, not the Kama.
So that's what keeps you on your toes.
Could be.
Push it.
Car wash.
Trying to fix my mood. Stomach's feeling better. Addie needs a sweater. You turn left to go left and right to go right. Wow, you heard it here first. Hey, here we go. Here's the hero, the one and only. All right, what does it feel like, champ? How do you feel saving all those turtles and then just a couple days later you're back out there saving more turtles? What does that feel like?
Well, originally when I saved 300 turtles by myself, basically.
Wow, just amazing, incredible.
Single-handedly.
Let's cut back to that footage.
Yeah, can we cut back to that footage? Go, little guy. Go, Mr. Turtle. He's in the lead. He's in the lead. Liffy's is way behind. Come. All right, as you can see, you know, I really care about the community of turtles. And there you have it. That's why I did it.
So you're watching HGTV. So I'm Addie and Olivia on HGTV Tuesday nights. Yeah, I'm Addie and you're watching HGTV. You're watching. This is Addie and Olivia, and you're watching HGTV. This is Addie and Olivia, and you're watching HGTV. Here you go, big boy. My name's Addie, and you're watching HGTV. This is HGTV. My name's Addison DeVitri. You're watching HGTV. Ah! You're watching HGTV Tuesday night. You're watching Addie, and this is HGTV.
Why do you keep saying HGTV?
And have a great montage at the end.